Man, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zay, bringing you another episode of Only Hustling Game. And in this episode, guys, we're going to be covering a brand new play-to-earn project called Piccolo Inu.
This is amazing! I feel incredible! Yes! I can win! I feel great! I can do this!
And yeah, I know exactly what you guys are thinking. Here's another meme coin, another Inu coin. And although that's true, guys, it is one of those new Inu coins. I'm really excited for this project because there are a lot of different use cases for this coin. It seems to be a very solid developer team behind it, as well as a lot of just great things for this coin going forward. Now, with that being said, it is a brand new coin. So, this is not financial advice at all, guys. This is just for education, entertainment. I just want to bring you guys the news on this coin, state some facts, and give you guys my personal opinions towards the very end of the video, pros and cons I see with this coin. So, like the video, watch all the way through, and if you have not gotten any kind of crypto exchange yet to where you can start your crypto investing journey, definitely check out the links in the description below. Sign up using my referral code, and when you do, you'll get some free crypto to start your investing journey. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Alright guys, so aside from the obvious cool name and just the awesome mascot that they have for the cryptocurrency, I was naturally attracted to do a video on this coin just because I am a huge Dragon Ball Z fan. And you know, Piccolo is one of my favorite characters, so it just looked really cool. So I dived into researching this project, and it just really seems promising. It doesn't seem like it is one of those meme coins that's real shady. There's not a whole lot of information on it. Some kind of fake pictures for the developers, nothing like that, nothing crazy like that. It also has recently, in just the 1 month, 1.5 months that it's been launched, has been listed on 4 major centralized exchanges such as Bitmart, Uniswap, and 2 other ones that we'll get into. If you look at the main piccoloinu.com website, you can see right here where it says 100% liquidity locked transparency. So that's really great to see for a brand new token, a brand new cryptocurrency like this. And when we dive into what that really means, you look on team.finance, you can see where it says that there's a countdown for the liquidity to unlock on October 25th of 2022, 337-day countdown. So that's very nice to see. Basically now, you know, nobody can really come in and buy a huge position of it and just sell it off to tank the price. It's very reassuring to know about. Going down, we can see what I'm talking about. It's on Bitmart, Uniswap, Hotbit, LBank, and it recently passed a security audit by Certic. It was about an 86% score, I believe, so not bad at all. Really cool to see. And here are some of the different use cases that it has and really just what the project is as a whole. They're looking to do a Pinu swap, kind of like Uniswap, Sushi Swap, where people can trade big certified anime tokens such as Luffy, Saitama, Oda, and others on the beloved Pinu. So that's pretty cool to see. It'll be on the Ethereum blockchain through the use of smart contracts. So when we look at what exactly Piccolo Inu is about, it's driven on the Ethereum mainnet. They created it for leading tokenomics in the DeFi space for a frictionless generation protocol that makes you earn passive income without having to do anything at all. 2% of every transaction will automatically go to the holder, 7% goes back to marketing and random buybacks. So they're also looking to get into staking, which if you guys know, I love to stake certain cryptocurrencies earn passive income on them. The tokenomics behind it, there is 100 trillion, that's the initial supply. Kind of nice to see versus like 400 quadrillion or 500 quadrillion coins. So that's pretty nice to see. It's on the ERC20 network, and it was only launched on October 22nd. So it's only been out for like a month now. And just the fact that it's been listed on 4 different centralized exchanges, such as Bitmart and Uniswap, that's really cool to see. You guys know that I've made some videos already on how to purchase certain meme coins on the Bitmart exchange using Cash App. I got a position on Piccolo Inu today. Not doing it the traditional way. I've shown you guys in videos before, to where I used my Cash App, bought some Bitcoin, sold it, deposited into my Bitcoin address on Bitmart, and then sold that and got USDT Tether, and then purchased it that way. What I actually did this time was I made a sale today on my seed coin. I'll make a video on that as well, and I transferred that to a Tether coin on crypto.com, and I sent that over to the Tether address on Bitmart, and that is how I purchased my Piccolo Inu. Another thing, guys, they're looking to get into the NFT trading card game area, and right now NFTs are going crazy, so that could be a major catalyst moving forward if they can do that right. Like I said, NFTs are going wild right now, so I can definitely see that being a very positive thing for this project. And if you look at the NFT marketplace right here, here is, you got Goku, Bulma, Krillin, Yamcha, Gohan, and of course Piccolo. It's really cool to see. I like how they did the whole kind of dog face, Shiba face on the actual characters. So right here it basically says that these cards will not be for sale, you know, but they're looking to get into expanding something for it. So maybe in the near future they'll make these tradable. And down here at the bottom they show a roadmap for the different phases that they have going forward for the project, and I really like that. I talked about that in a previous video, to where I really like when the developers kind of put a plan out there, keep the community that is growing behind the project in the loop on knowing where they're headed with their project and where they're looking to go. So I think that's pretty important. Down there at the bottom it shows you how you can buy it. You got some pictures here from their Twitter page. Looks like they got the you know, the Piccolo Inu up there on a billboard. They got some merch out there. So all in all, guys, it looks pretty cool. Like I said, you can look up for yourself the website. You can go ahead and look to where you can see the certic audit that they had. The kind of cons that I have, there's two different cons that I have so far with the project, and that's just gonna be, it is a new project, and like I said, I don't want you guys to just YOLO your money into it thinking that it's gonna 100x just because it's a new Inu coin out there. You know, do your due diligence. Like I said, this is just for educational purposes, entertainment purposes. I just want to give you guys the facts. Another con I can see with it, hopefully not, but as you guys know, it's Piccolo Inu, and although they kind of altered and changed the face to have that kind of Shiba kind of dog look, the theme is essentially still there for Piccolo. So hopefully that doesn't become a copyright issue. I don't think it will be. I mean, it was only launched in October. It's only been out for a little over a month. So hopefully in the future, nothing comes out, you know, about a copyright issue. But other than that, I mean, I really don't see any kind of negative things moving forward for the coin. I feel like it has great potential. I feel like there are a lot of good catalysts for it. I mean, those different use cases, the staking, the trading card, NFT platform, the swapping, the Pinu swap, and you know, I just feel like that's going to be really great for the project moving forward. Here's my position on Bitmart. I picked up 319 million shares today with a total of $120 invested. And another thing I wanted to show you guys real quick, on the website itself, kind of scroll past it, you can see the developers right here. Guy named David, the developer, Max, the marketing strategist, Miriam, the content manager, and Sophia, the chief financial officer. So it's really cool to see some pictures of the actual developers on the website. And the reason I say that, guys, is because there have been a lot of new coins coming out there to where they don't have any kind of information on the about section about the coin. They don't have any kind of pictures on the developers. They don't have anything like that. And there have been some to where they've had like literally pictures from Google copied and pasted onto the about section for the developers. And so just the fact that you can see some faces to the team behind the whole project is really nice to see. So I thought that was pretty cool. I wanted to point that out. But other than that, guys, like I said, I picked up 319 million shares. I like the coin, guys. I'm a huge Dragon Ball Z fan. Piccolo is one of my favorite characters, and so when I found out about this token, I dived into researching it. Like I said, you guys can check out the website for yourself. Look it up on the on CoinGecko. You can see that certic security audit as well. Let me know, guys, what you guys think about the project overall as a whole. Do you feel like it has the potential to go far? But with it only being out for 1 month, I definitely see that it has a lot of potential to grow, a lot more time to really develop, especially with that liquidity being locked up for a whole year. So that's my 2 cents on it, guys. It's your boy Zay, bringing you another episode of Only Hustling Game, and I will see you guys in the next video.